If your windows are showing signs of wood rot at the bottom rail, it's super important to tackle it fast before things get way worse. So, first off, you want to start by removing all the rotten wood. Grab a chisel or a putty knife and scrape out every bit that feels soft or crumbly. Next, hit that area with some wood hardener to stop the rot from spreading and to strengthen what's left. Make sure you follow the instructions on the hardener bottle for the best results. Usually, you gotta let it soak in for a good while. After that, if the bottom rail is too far gone, the smartest move is to replace it altogether instead of patching it up. When you replace the rails, measure everything carefully so the new piece fits just right. No gaps or loose spots. Seal the new wood with primer and paint to protect it from future water damage. Also, keep an eye on your windowsills and frames to catch any early signs of rot next time. Doing this kind of maintenance regularly can save you a bunch of headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood rot on window rails is ignoring it until it gets bad enough to cause leaks or drafts. Fix this by checking your windows every few months for soft spots. Another common problem is applying paint over the rot without removing it first, which just traps moisture inside and makes things worse. Always remove all rotten wood before painting. Lastly, using the wrong kind of wood hardener or skipping it entirely can lead to weak repairs that fail quickly. Make sure to use a good quality product designed for exterior wood and follow the directions carefully. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know how to deal with stuff like window repairs and wood rot. At the same time, it gives contractors a way to find real customers looking for their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone.